Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to upload your MVN files into the MotionCloud and reprocess them. First, be sure to be logged into Xsens MotionCloud. In this case I'm already logged in, so I can continue to MVN processing. In this overview you can see all your already uploaded files, but we want to upload a new one, so we can click Upload File. This opens the Upload File menu, where you can upload files and select how you want to reprocess them. So first let's upload a file by either browsing for it, or you can drag and drop it from the Windows Explorer. So in this case I've uploaded a file which has an actor rolling on a table. I want to reprocess it in HD and on multi-level. So I can select this, and then I can go to my presets to select how I want to process it. So by default there are the normal quality and HD quality presets, and you can also have user defined. So I already created a multi-level HD preset, but I will show you how to create a preset. So under actions you have also new preset, where you can change the name of your preset. Next you can select what quality you want to have it and which scenario you want to have it involved. So in this case I selected multi-level. Next you can also have additional options such as position aiding, reset position, reset heading, and reinitialize mocap engine, and then you can save your preset. In this case I want to cancel, and I want to select my pre-made multi-level HD preset. So with this file selected and preset also selected, I can add to queue and then press upload, and then my file is being uploaded. This is already taking place in the cloud, so I can already close this one. You can see in the file list that our file is being processed at the moment, and when it's done you will get an email notification. And from there we can go and export the file. This will be in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.